up? So it's now about 10 p.m. at night. It's a little late, but beautiful night out. So we're trying something new tonight too. We're doing what we're calling live band karaoke. We've been doing that a little bit lately, kind of just on the fly with people coming up and wanting to sing. So thought we'd make it into more of a thing, have a system with it and keep things a little bit more controlled, because it starts getting a little chaotic sometimes and everybody wants to be a part of it. So this way we can run an actual cue list.
That's what I'm missing. Hey, can you help me find my glasses?
Yeah, dude.
No, I'm just kidding.
You looking for a lens?
One more lens. I found it. It was in the party lights. Let's go back to playing. In the party lights. What was your name? I'm Dale. Thanks for giving it a work. Yeah, thank you guys for lunching. Thanks for
Let's do.
I want to hit it. I didn't hit it either. I figured I hit it first.
Oh, I got this video too.
I know, it's more about.
You know the video too. Like you were harmonizing with them. That was tight. every time we do that. It's always a lot of fun, and it was extra fun having a couple of buddies along this time to jam with us. Chris and I started going busking out in Boulder about 2 months back, and our setup and what we're doing has changed so many times since then already, so I wanted to make these videos about it for a long time. It's a really interesting and unique format, just being out on the streets. We don't know who's gonna come up and sing with us. We don't really know how it's ever gonna go. We just show up and play and have fun. And it's been really cool, the energy that crowd down there brings. Randomly run into us and are like, hey, I play guitar or I sing, can I do this with you guys? And then it just blows us away what they do. I wanted to start making these videos and kind of documenting the whole thing and what we learn every time, what we change from the start, but in the moment trying to just get gear set up, I just didn't capture as much footage as I wanted a lot of times. So I've got some footage I'm going to put together into some sort of video leading up to this point, and then I think that will be the second video in this series. Let's talk about what we're planning to do different this next week and what we learned this last time. One of the big points, we've really been encouraging this come jam with us kind of culture, but especially late at night that can get a little bit out of hand. So we're trying something new, or we're working towards it with doing what we're calling live band karaoke. If somebody wants to play or sing with us, they can pick a song from that we know, it adds them to the rotation queue, and we just cycle through everybody. I didn't quite get that set up for this last week. Since we run this whole thing on battery power, we've been playing around with the different setups, the PA and the amps since the beginning, trying a whole lot of different things. I really like what we're doing with the guitar now. I'm running a digital effects chain and then going into my Fender Mustang with everything bypassed because it's 15 watts, really loud, big sounding for the amount of power that it draws. We took out a new PA system this week, and I tried rigging up a Bluetooth amp that I got off Amazon, and once we got out on the street and we're playing at volume, it really just didn't have the output and it kept overheating on us, so I had to turn it down. So big thing for next time, I need to get a better amp, and I might have to play with that a little bit to figure out what's loud enough and not going to draw a whole lot of power off the battery. I also want to bring out some stage lights next week, so I'm going to try building some LED RGB tubes and then programming some really basic light shows to run on the fly. And then just the video. Each week I want to do more with the video. I want to release these every week. It's really a lot of fun to make the video. It's a lot of fun what we're doing, and I hope you guys find it a lot of fun to be along for the adventure and out on the street there with us. Cheers. Till next time. I was wondering what that was. I thought you found like a
No, I'm just river.
fishing line.